I'm sure that half of the meetings you sit in are either unnecessary or inefficiently run. So how do you make sure that your meetings are both productive and efficient and maybe even fun? Welcome to this HICS Team Tools Tuesday. First of all, think about if the meeting that you intend to set up actually is necessary. In our digital age, there are so many tools to collect data and feedback, so maybe you can use a chat or something instead. But if you come to the conclusion that you want to have a physical meeting with your team, then you should design an I.D.O.A.R.R.T. The I.D.O.A.R.R.T. is a very simple tool to prepare and facilitate meetings. And I'm sure if you use it, your participants will think of that meeting as one of the very good meetings and these kind of meetings where you actually made things happen. I stands for intention, D-O for desired outcome, A for agenda, the first R for roles, the second for rules, and the T for time. Let me explain with an example. Let's say your team has decided to make a presentation video about the team, to present your team to potential clients or co-workers or friends or students, whatever. But you have no money for that video, so you have to do everything yourselves. Intention. Hit the ground running for our awesome presentation video production. Desired outcome. We will have decided on who will do what. We have outlined a production plan and everyone is feeling motivated to actually contribute to the video. Agenda. First topic. Opening. Presentation of the project. Why a team video? Second. Check-in. Maybe you can ask every team member, if this team would be a feature film, what would be its title? Third, discussion. Who will do what? Fourth, time planning and next steps. 5, checkout. Answer the question with one word. My feeling about this project is anxiety. Roles. Facilitate the meeting, Jörg. Timekeeper, Maira. Note taker, Matthias. Participants, Hannah, Fiona, Sandro, Camilla, Cecilia, Clara. Rules. Mute your phones, be mentally present. And very important when it comes to rules, ask the participants if they want to add any rules and write them down. Then time. 5 minutes for the opening, 10 minutes for the check-in, 25 minutes for discussion and 15 minutes for decisions to take. Yeah, sure, 15 minutes for the fika. I'm here in Sweden and fika is very, very important. A kind of coffee break with cinnamon buns or donuts. Yeah, whatever. Bribe them. And 5 minutes for answering the checkout question. Take your time to prepare your I.D.O.A.R.R.T. For a 90 minutes meeting, I usually take 20 or 30 minutes to prepare a good design and to think it through. And then send out the invitations and add the I.D.O.A.R.R.T. with every topic to the invitation so that your invitees, your participants can understand the purpose and the intention and desired outcomes with this meeting beforehand. And then, of course, run the meeting and keep the group focused on the intention and the desired outcomes and keep track of the time. What you can do to help the participants to focus on the intention, I suggest to use a parking lot. It could be a part on a flip chart or on a whiteboard where you actually collect ideas that come up but are not connected with the intention or the desired outcomes with a meeting. And then you can take them up the next time during another meeting if they are important. So thanks for watching my video the whole way through. I hope the I.D.O.A.R.R.T. helped you and will help you. And if you liked it, please push the like button and subscribe to my HICS YouTube channel. Thank you. See you next Tuesday for Team Tools Tuesdays. Bye bye.